So to mask an image you need actually two images. So on the canvas I have two images. In one of the image I put my image that I want to mask, and the other one is this white image on which I want to mask. So what I want to do is select this mask parent, go to add component and search for the mask. Now after adding the mask, the image you want to mask should be the child of that image. So here I am going to put this image as a child. As you can see, it disappears. So I go to the anchors and I center it to my image. So now you can see it has masked our image. So you can use different shapes like circle and it will work for everything.